Hello YouTube, this is Now from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a small haul from the Dollar Tree, and this would probably be added onto another video. But anyway, my grandson took out his stuff out of it because they had a bunch of kids books. Did get a set of skiing stickers because my daughter went for her birthday, her first time skiing. I've never been because it's too cold from it. I did get him these Avenger stickers to put in. I had the scrapbook paper. There's the heroes on it and stuff, so I was going to make him a scrapbook album with that. And he has a ton of pictures of him dressed like a superhero. So got these little word stickers that you put on your photos. It says wow, smile, I've been dis, hey baby, geez, do I know you, you know, kind of crazy stuff like that, just to jazz up some photos in your album. Some hearts, some tags and stuff like that we can use this time of the year. Some more hearts, these are a little puffy, not much, not really puffy, just thicker. And some felt hearts, a little bit of bling in it. And these are the planner ones, and hopefully I will, with the next video, I will be able to show you the ones that they have from We Are Memory Keepers and the other brands they have too. And then I got 2 stencils, the butterfly and the rose, cabbage rose. All right, so I will be back in the next haul. Stay tuned for it to be attached to this video. Take care. Hello YouTube, this is Dr. DaretoBeCreative. How are you guys doing today? I want to say thank you to all my new subbies. Thank you for all of my faithful followers who watch my hauls and my craft videos. I thank you for your love, support, and commitment to this channel, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. I have a haul here from the Dollar Tree, a couple different things. I just picked up this little green basket. I really wanted a red one, but they didn't have anymore, and this is probably too close, but it's probably about, it's about 13 inches by 9 inches. I was really trying to get the other one I had, but they don't have that size and they don't have that color anymore. I picked up these 2 clusters, never tried them, so don't know how they taste. This one is peanut, pumpkin seed, and blueberries, and this one is peanut, sunflower, pumpkin seed, and cranberry. Picked up this one little sticker set. I picked up several of the foam mounting. Now I prefer the one in the blue. The one in the yellow doesn't stick the same. The one that they have sometimes in the craft section, or maybe in the automotive section. But I like the Jot brand better. So I got 2 of the regular. Whoa, boy, you scared the crap out of me. What's wrong? I mean to say that. I'm sorry, you said that word. Sorry. You scared me to death. I'm sorry. Why are you up? It's midnight almost. Boy. See. Anyway. And this one is the segmented one for, it's 12 o'clock. See, you shouldn't even be up. And the circle foam. And he's even trying to scare somebody. Got 1 sheet of the sheet of the bling.
It's strawberries.
Ha ha ha. Okay. You need to be asleep. Did get this calendar. Excuse you.
That just looks like you put calls up there.
Yes, a calendar. But anyway, these gonna get fussy cut out, and they will be used in a glue book or in my art journal. And then I got some little confetti stuff for shakers. I thought you was playing your activity book.
I'm doing that.
I'm going to go to bed. Shouldn't be up anyway. And these clothespins. And then some colored clothespins. But you've already seen these before the Dollar Tree. And so, and the little googly eyes, different colors. You see that?
Googly eyes.
And then some paper clips. And these are rose colored kind of paper clips. That light is so glaring.
I want to make puppets with these.
Okay, we can make some tomorrow. Tomorrow. You gotta go to bed. You're not supposed to be up anyway.
Tomorrow I have to go to bed? No.
Haha, stop being funny. So, you know, I had seen these being posted, and I was so excited that they had them at the Dollar Tree. I just wanted to see this morning today, and they actually had them on sale in the background on sale, but they had these at the Dollar Tree. So even with this sale, the two's more, you can't beat a buck. So this is the one that says beautiful dream, live, love, laugh, live, love, laugh. So you've probably already seen these.
That's not a word.
And this one says live with you. What? Life with you is good. And of course, these can be colored. And this one says you are beautiful, amazing, so kind, blooming, marvelous. So just, I mean, just for the sentiment stickers, even if you're not big on word coloring, for $1, Hampton Art, I mean, you can't beat it. So this one says happy birthday. You can use this on ATCs, iCads, if you're into coloring. Wish you were here. Good day, sunshine. You make me smile. And you can also watercolor them if you're doing the right paper. Okay, so I don't know what just happened. It said stop recording, but then when I went to go cut it off, it was still recording. So I don't know what's going on. And this is the new SD card. Anyway, so I was on this one, thinking of you with love. Have a great day. That's wishes. I don't know where to cut off at. This one says, with much love for you, just a little note to say, thinking of you, good times, and love you. And again, these stamp out well because they're Hampton Arts. So just because in the dollar store, these are Hampton Arts. And this one says, I'm so grateful, with heartfelt thanks. So, you know, if you're into adult coloring, making a card, like I said, a card, ATC, iCAD for $1. And that was how many different designs? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For some reason I thought it was 11. I guess I dropped some. Anyway, so I was also pleasantly surprised. So I'm going to show you these little buttons I got for embellishments. And I did get one little rubber sticker set. And then I just got some little clocks for my grandson. Okay, so I saw these. Somebody posted them on Instagram. And the same day I happened to be in the Dollar Tree, and I was like, oh, well, here they go. I'm going to open one up and try it in just a second. So they're the different four. So some kind of print, hearts, floral, and floral. So, and then they also had these wood mounts. Butterfly, I'm dropping stuff, a butterfly and heart. That one, and that, they were $1. So, let me get a piece of paper. And let's do these self-inking and see how they go. Now, I've had some. There you go. So ink is somewhat dried up. But you could also use your own ink pad. And it may be just like just started off. But sometimes when you just start them off, they need a minute to self-ink. I don't know if that's the case. Well, let's see. But for $1, I had to try it. Okay, that one came out a little bit better. But still not as... Okay. So it may just be a little dry ink. I don't know. But anyway, the second one, I put a little ink on it. So... And let's do the third one. These, to me, I will use these as background noise. I just bought a brand new SD card. Every time I look up, it says recording has been stopped. Okay, I don't know what's going on with this defective card. What? So I apologize for having to keep stopping and starting. So anyway, basically, long story short, you're going to have to probably use your own ink to help with it. It does roll well. The mechanism to make it roll, I don't have any problems with that. But I would say, I don't know if it's just because it's the first time, it needs to be re-ink itself up a couple times or what, but just be mindful of that. Now, let's see these wood mounts. It's thin rubber, but let's just try. Let's just, this ink pad is not a juice ink pad, but it stamps fine. Now that stamps perfectly fine. And this is a dry ink pad. So that's good. I will buy some more of those stamps for $1. And these, of course, are Jots. Now this one, let's see. It doesn't see that much ink on the middle, but let's see. Okay. It's upside down. That's stamped very nicely. So can't be wrong sleeping on the Dollar Tree sometimes. I mean, yeah, of course you get what you pay for. Sometimes it works out. But the stamps are carved nicely. How much space up here. That's the cupcake. And then I'm gonna grab my paper. I have it here. Let's see. And this one I didn't stamp on. I mean, I put enough ink on it, but yeah, they all stamp nice. So the wood ones stamped perfectly well. Anyway, thanks for liking, subscribing, and watching. And I dare you to have a creative and wonderful day. Take care. Dare you to be creative. Bye bye.